Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here. Did you know that investing in ETFs can earn you steady cash? That's right. Today, we're diving into the top 4 dividend growth ETFs. These can help your money grow while providing regular income. First, let's set the stage. What are dividend growth ETFs? They are funds that invest in companies paying increasing dividends. This means not only do you earn money from dividends, but you also benefit from the growth of the companies. Thanks for tuning in, viewers. If you're finding this content valuable, there's so much more to come, filled with even more amazing tips, tricks, and inspiration. Make sure you hit that subscribe button to stay connected with us and never miss out. And while you're at it, drop a comment below and share this video with your friends. Now, let's explore our top picks. First up is Noble. The ETF focuses on companies with consistent dividend growth. In essence, the ProShares S&P 500 Dividend Aristocrats ETF offers investors a unique opportunity to benefit from a well-researched portfolio, emphasizing financial stability and long-term growth through reliable, growing dividends from elite companies. It only holds companies that have raised dividends for at least 25 years. This fund offers stability and growth. Noble offers a competitive 2% yield. This yield provides investors. This reliable income stream can cushion the impact of market volatility, making Noble an appealing choice for those seeking stability while enjoying the benefits of dividend investing. By incorporating Noble into their portfolios, investors are positioning themselves for potential long-term growth alongside consistent returns. Next, let's discuss FDV, the First Trust Dow Jones Global Select Dividend ETF. FDV carefully assesses international corporations, seeking those that blend exceptional yields with promising growth trajectories. These investments promise stability. FDV is dedicated to discovering and nurturing companies that not only deliver attractive yields but also demonstrate robust potential for future growth, ensuring a balanced and prosperous investment strategy for stakeholders. The FDV dividend yield stands at 3%. This yield reflects the company's commitment to providing a return on investment, showcasing its financial health and continuous growth potential. Investors can therefore look forward to positive cash flow, making the FDV an attractive option in today's market. Moving on to HIDV, the Invesco High Dividend Yield ETF. HIDV emphasizes investing in companies that ensure consistent and reliable returns. HIDV focuses on maximizing shareholder value. HIDV stands as a strategic choice for investors seeking steady income through high-quality companies. By prioritizing sustainable growth and shareholder returns, HIDV reinforces its commitment to meeting the financial goals of its investors while navigating the complexities of the market. The HIDV dividend yield stands strong. With an impressive yield of 11%, investors are drawn to the potential for substantial returns, contributing to the overall appeal of HIDV in the financial market. Thus, the HIDV remains an attractive option for those seeking enhanced income through dividends. And lastly, we have VIG, the Vanguard Dividend Appreciation ETF. The VIG fund champions businesses that demonstrate a consistent commitment to raising dividend payouts. In a world where financial stability is paramount, the VIG fund stands as a beacon, guiding investors toward companies dedicated to sustainable growth and reliable returns. This focus ensures not only an increase in dividends but also fosters long-term trust and security for its stakeholders. The VIG dividend yield stands at 1.70%. This yield reflects the company's commitment to providing consistent returns to its investors while continuing to focus on growth. As we evaluate VIG's performance, this dividend yield is a key indicator of the financial health and investor confidence in the future. So, how do these ETFs perform? Noble has shown consistent returns. FDV offers international diversification. HIDV is perfect for income-focused investors. VIG stands out for wonderful long-term growth. Let's look at a scenario. Imagine you invest in these ETFs. You sit back, relax, and watch as your dividends roll in. It's almost like getting paid for just being smart. Remember, dividends can reinvest, leading to compound growth. This can dramatically boost your investment portfolio over time. Finally, let's wrap it up. All 4 ETFs provide excellent options for dividend growth. Noble, FDV, HIDV, and VIG can help you earn while you invest. Here's your bonus tip. Consider diversifying across these funds for maximum advantage. For steady income and potential growth, look no further than these ETFs. In the journey of financial understanding, remember that knowledge is your greatest asset. Each step taken toward education compounds your wealth, both financially and personally, enriching your life beyond measure. Always seek guidance tailored to your unique situation and aspirations. Keep learning. In conclusion, as you navigate the complexities of finances, prioritize continuous improvement and professional advice, knowing that every decision shapes your future. Embrace the journey with an open mind, and let your curiosity guide you toward a brighter financial horizon. If you found this information valuable, please subscribe, like, and share. Your support means a lot. Thank you for watching.